Hello, we're in Spokane, Washington. We just acquired this house a few weeks ago. Ron Brown, I'm the Project Superintendent. We go through all the houses, do a scope, look at the projects. On this one here, this one had full carpet throughout the whole house. But when we started lifting the carpet up, we realized how beautiful these floors look, so we decided we could save a few $100s by us doing floors, these beautiful hardwood floors, versus putting carpet in throughout the house, because the famous thing back in the days is everybody covered up their wooden floors with carpet because they liked the carpet, but now it's going back the other way. Everybody loves the hardwood floors, and all you have to do is throw a throw rug down and cover up what you need to. So this is the living room hall. We'll go ahead and finish the floors. We rent machines from Home Depot, Lowe's, your local outlets and all that. They cost about $40. This one here is the plate sander. It roughly runs about $40 for a half a day. So we rent it out for half a day. We do have the drum sanders if this floor was really bad, or if we wanted to spend the money in the other rooms, we could drum sand that out and clean it up. But it's cheaper to put carpet in the bedrooms than it would be to finish it out. Yeah, let's walk into the bedroom so you can see them. It's quite a bit difference between the rooms in here. Tomorrow they'll come in here, move this up, and my carpet guy will have all carpet laid throughout. Both master bedrooms and master bedroom and the spare bedroom both have, but you can kind of see how the floors are. They're just dingy, too labor intensive to go ahead and clean them up. We use our poly. Once we get everything done, we'll use our polypropylene for the floors. And it's just a satin. Some people like a high gloss. It's all preference. We use a satin, so it gives it a little bit of gloss, but then it doesn't overdo it. To lay it down, we use, it's almost like a window squeegee that we use, and these just slip in, and then all you do is you literally just dump the poly on the floor, and then you just squeegee it out, and it makes it nice and uniform and levels it out, self-levels it, makes it a lot easier so you don't get your roller marks or your paper marks. So good investment to have. Once you buy this, then you just buy the little $8 to $10 replacement rollers. And then we'll put, tonight before we leave, what we like doing is doing it at the end of the day, so that way we can put the poly on and let it sit overnight, so that way tracking or anything else, you don't have to worry about footprints or somebody walking through. He has a little DA with the little disc DA sanders. What size grit do you run it?
150?
150 grit in it, and it's just a little palm sanders. We'll go around and hit the edges. All we're doing is scuffing it up enough for the poly to stick to. So we can probably poly the floors, not doing anything, but it could pill up if there's any kind of grease or anything on the floors. So that's why we do our light sand, and then we'll just wipe the floors down, clean them up, wipe them down, and then we'll squeegee the poly. Sanding's done. Took about 15 minutes to do this whole floor. Now he's going to turn around and wipe it down with mineral spirits, and then we have a tack cloth that'll pick up any kind of dust or lint that he'll use. All this stuff you can get it at your construction supply houses. We get ours at Home Depot or Lowe's. So that's the next step. So we'll do the wipe down, probably another 10 minutes.
So another reason why we get it wet with the mineral spirits is like it'll show you what your finished floor is going to look like with the poly on. So if you have dark spots anywhere and you have to sand some more, then you will go ahead and do that and then wipe it again. So after it dries, do the tack cloth and you're good to go with the poly. Put the poly down.
As we showed you before, we used the lacquer thinner, we wiped everything down, and then now we went through with the tack cloth. It's called a sticky cloth, and it picks up all the loose lint and anything that's left around. Plus it lets you kind of fill around in case you missed any staples or any nails or anything you he kind of lets you find them at that time. Now we're going to go ahead and use the poly with the squeegee. One thing you want to do with this is you do want to wear your respirator or safety purposes. He should be having gloves on, but he likes doing his things without gloves. So the next step is the poly.
So now before, with the poly, they got the lamb skin or lamb wool pads. You could use like a paint pan or something to put that in and then just, spread it out like that. But with the T-bar, they don't have anything that'll do that. So basically all you're gonna do is just spread it out. Put the respirator back on. And you wanna work it.
What it does is it gives it an even spread, plus it fills in, with the T-bar, it fills in any voids that's there. He'll go do all the hard spots in the closets, that way he can work as well, work himself out. Once you lay it down, you don't want to step on it. Some people do have the special little shoes that they'll wear that have kind of like a cleats on them, that they'll use those. I don't like them because to me it'll still leave little marks if you aren't real careful. That's it. We're taping it up now to block off from our employees so somebody doesn't forget and walk across our beautiful new floors. As you can see, it'll take roughly 4 or 5 hours for it to dry. We'll let it sit 24 before we walk across it. What we'll do is tomorrow we'll cover it up so that way we protect what's there. And we cover it up with just our normal walk paper, construction paper, rhino, they call rhino guard or whatever. So we'll protect it that way. If they're bringing anything in here, they don't drop it on it and ruin this beautiful floor. So right now we're about 15 hours into it, letting it cure. It took us about an hour and a half, 2 hours yesterday to sand and prep everything and put the shellac on it. Right now the only thing we have left is paper. We have a few dust prints in here that our feet tracked in this morning, but that's just a matter of mop the floors, so that's why we always cover everything up with the paper, so
wow,
to protect the floors.
So this is the paper
This
that
is the
you'll
paper.
lay.
This is kind of a heavy construction paper. If we know we're going to be moving kitchen cabinets in and stuff like that, they make a rhino lining type paper that's a lot heavier, but for this house, we're going to be in and out in the next few days, so we just use this just to keep the tracking or any kind of light stuff or scratches to protect it. Hey, thanks for watching. Tell us what you'd like to see in any future videos.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Go to LeeArnoldSystem.com.
Go to LeeArnoldSystems.com. Thank you for watching.
Smile.